GOTS Elevator Company has a long history of producing perfect and high-quality elevators using advanced technologies in collaboration with world experts from Germany and America. GOTS Elevator is among the top elevator manufacturers and is a leader in elevator production on the global market. The company's headquarters is located in Guangzhou City. An experienced team of international directors and managers provide first-class support and communication with foreign clients at the highest level. The company independently designs, manufactures, installs, as well as provides technical maintenance and support for our products. Our remote monitoring and control system allows us to receive detailed information about the condition of all elevator equipment installed by our company. Our projects operate in most cities of Central Asia and China. The company has built a testing tower 110 meters high with 6 testing shafts and installed high-speed elevators with a speed of 8 meters per second. With one of the factories covering an area of 660,000 square meters and the annual production volume of 15,000 elevators and escalators. Over 200 engineers and more than 1,500 automatic machines and equipment work in the production plants of our company. GOTS Elevator successfully produces gearless traction motors and control panels for them. Our motors have low power consumption, low friction coefficient, reducing mechanical wear and vibrations. This type of motor is used in robots, space equipment, remote-controlled machines, and industrial automation systems. GOTS Elevator has 7 factories in China, thus providing its customers with fast and high-quality equipment production within short periods. Our company has sales representatives in Europe, Asia, Africa, Arab countries, Russia, Canada, Spain, Tajikistan, and Kazakhstan. The company's production includes passenger elevators, freight elevators, panoramic elevators, kitchen elevators, villa elevators, car parking elevators, escalators, and moving walkways. Our motors have high efficiency, low power consumption, low friction coefficient, which reduces mechanical wear and vibrations, and also completely eliminates noise caused by gearboxes and motors during operation. Since its foundation in 2008, GOTS Elevator has received international certification for its leading products in European markets, as well as certification from the Customs Union of Russia. GOTS Elevator, certified as a high-tech enterprise, has won numerous awards, including being recognized as the most reliable brand with a quality guarantee.